Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can easily upload photos on DeepSeek AI. By following the few simple steps that I show you, now you'll be able to upload photos on DeepSeek AI very easily. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't make any mistakes. By saying that, let's start the video. At first, go to your home screen and tap on the DeepSeek AI app icon, and make sure that you have logged into your DeepSeek AI account. And after that, this type of interface will be shown. You can see this is similar to the ChatGPT or the Google Gemini. To upload your photo, you have to tap on this plus icon. Then you'll be able to see three options popping out. And tap on the option called Image OCR, which is in the middle. And after that, you have to choose the photo that you want to upload and tap on it. This is how you can upload photos on DeepSeek AI. So my friend, that's it. If you find this video helpful, even 1%, consider subscribing and leave a like. I'll be back with another problem solving video like this. Thanks for watching.